Hey guys, my name is Jason Thomas and I'm one of the co-founders of Boosting Media. So in this case study, we'll be talking about how we uh, increased the ROIs of a popular pharmacy brand to 10, right? So talking about the client, they are a huge pharmacy retail client from Qatar. They have about 50 outlets in Qatar and are the leading pharmacy chains in Qatar, right? And we have been working with their e-commerce wing for the last 1.5 years, and we've been able to scale them from literally about 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees in sales to over 7 crore in the total timeline, right? And the problem that we were facing is that we were doing a lot of hacks, tricks, etc., to increase the lifetime value, increase the ROS, etc. But recently we've been stagnant, right? For a lot of time, we've not been able to get to the next level. We've been initially we were growing like anything, but we reached a plateau and needed to jump to next level, right? So we were thinking about how we can solve this, and our team thought that okay, let's look into Google Analytics. Maybe data can help us, right? Maybe there could be some potholes or something that we were not actually seeing, right? So we went to the enhanced e-commerce section of Google Analytics, and it has a product performance tab, and that tab has these kind of columns, right? Product revenue, unique purchases quantity, cart to detail rate, and buy to detail rate. These are the columns that this tab has. So we decided to focus on the latter two, that is cart to detail rate and buy to detail rate. So cart to detail rate is basically a metric in Google Analytics which shows that out of like 100 people who sees a product page, how many of them actually adds that product into their cart, right? That is cart to detail rate. And product buy to detail rate means out of 100 people, how many of those people who are visiting the product page actually end up buying that product, right? So these two are really crucial metrics that actually signals that this product is of high demand, high demand, and it if you push it enough, you can scale up your sales or revenue, right? So if you're only having 2 or 5 or 10 products in your inventory, you wouldn't you would be thinking that, hey, I can actually manually do this, right? But for this particular case, this pharmacy has about 7,000 products. So this case study is very relevant for people who have high lots of inventory and lots of number of SKUs with them, right? So it's not practically manual to go to each product and identify which is actually converting better, etc. So you need to utilize Google Analytics and sorted it from in a descending order from for these two columns, that is car to detail rate and buy to detail rate. So we exactly did that. We you know put it in a descending order and picked the top products that had high demand, right? Manually it would have been impossible. And also when you have 7,000 products, you can when you're running Facebook ads, you cannot literally run all of the ads, right? We cannot get pick all of the 7,000 products and run an ad for that, right? It's not practically possible. So we'll need to pick like 10, 20 products at a time to run ads. Definitely you can use shopping ads, etc., to do that. But if you need to write specific copies, etc., dedicated for a product, you need to find out which is the in demand product, right? And especially when it comes to pharmacy, when the season changes, the products in demand changes, right? So to keep up with that, we had to find out sort products according to this um, cart to detail rate and buy to detail rate. By doing that, after picking those products like that, and we ran the ad for those high demand products, we increased the ROS from 6 to 10 uh, compared to the previous month in which we didn't do that, right? So if you are having a higher number of inventory, if you do this, if you go to Google Analytics and dig deeper data, you might be able to crack that channel that you've been missing from, right? So my name is Jason Thomas and I'm one of the co-founders. If you want to crack your e-commerce, you can contact us via our website. See you in the next case study. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye guys.